Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? I hope you are doing fine at home. Our subject today is IRK, and the topic is lying, opposite of truth. Lying is opposite of truth, and we are going to discuss this topic through story of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam. As we all know that in Islam, lying is bad habit, even though one hadith of the Prophet says lying leads to hellfire while truth leads to Jannah. And we are all looking forward to be admitted into Jannah. May Allah make it easy for us. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to say the truth anywhere they are and keep away from lying. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam had 11 brothers. Because Prophet Yusuf was beloved of their father, these brothers showed hatred to Prophet Yusuf. One day, when they went out with Prophet Yusuf, they plotted to kill Yusuf, but later they agreed that they should throw Yusuf inside the well and stain his clothes with blood, so they can lie to their father that Yusuf was attacked by a wild animal. After that, Yusuf was later removed from the well by some strangers, some travelers. These travelers missed their road to the well where Yusuf was thrown, and he was removed. So, and they sold him to the king in Egypt. So this king of Egypt later made Yusuf, at the end, made Yusuf as the minister of agriculture in his town. But this brother later came back to look for the assistance of Yusuf. When Yusuf saw them, and they did not know Yusuf again, but later Yusuf showed himself to them, and they sought for forgiveness. And he told them to go with his clothes, that is, his clothes, to their father and wipe the face of his father. Because when the father heard the story of death of Yusuf, he had become blind. So when the father regained the sight, they were all ashamed of their lying. Since then, their father did not believe them again. So that was the consequence of lying. When you lie today, nobody will like to believe you again, even though if you say the truth. So that is why lying is very bad in Islam. The Prophet told us that when somebody lies, from that lying, his name will be written among the liars. Even though the angel of Allah will see the person as a liar, and nobody will like to believe the person again. But why do people lie? Because you wanted to escape some punishment, or you wanted to acquire something illegally. So if somebody lied to escape this punishment of this world, what about the punishment of Almighty Allah in the hereafter, which is the severe punishment. So it's good to say the truth, to escape the punishment of this world and be awaiting for the punishment of Almighty Allah. So we should always say the truth. Always say the truth, because truth leads to paradise, while lying leads to hellfire. It's just like this popular song we normally sing on assembly every Friday, that wherever you go, wherever you be, do not say yes when you mean to say no. So anything that require you to say no, just say no. If the things require you to say yes, just say yes. Because everything we are saying, we have Atid, we have Rocky that recording everything we are saying. And when we say the truth, Allah is going to elevate us. And when we say when we tell lie, so it means that we are waiting for the punishment of Almighty Allah, and we always seek refuge against the punishment of Almighty Allah. So when we check our textbook, I Love Islam, page 43, we're going to see exercise there to attempt. So if you try to do the exercise, if there's any difficulty there, or there's any question, you can message me, so I will take the correction, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. And we are preparing for Ramadan. So Ramadan Mubarak. اللهم بلغنا رمضان. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.